We are pleased to show you the 2016 Maxima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.